everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Down a Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the 2018 Jamaican cooking journey. But today we're not cooking. I'm just going to give you some information. Read the green gungo pea soup. I hope you have all cooked. I've gotten so many comments, and if you're hearing anything on the outside, we're having some rains coming down. So I'm just sorry for the rain in the background. Not that we're sorry for the rains, we're glad for the rains, but sorry for the, you know, that background thing. Now, as I was saying, a lot of y'all, not a lot, but like a good amount, commented that you went and you made your gungo soup, and the weather calls for that. Now I'm thinking, when I did the green gungo rice and peas, a lot of people commented saying that they cannot get the gungo in that form where they are. That is something that calls for concern for me. Yes, I wasn't really thinking that you would not get it like that. You mostly get it in the can. Now what I want to say to you now, if where you are you cannot get it as is, or as I had it, what I want to say to you, when you go and get it in the can, it is gonna be like a slight different. There's gonna be a slight difference in preparing it. And I just want to give you all a little update on how you're gonna prepare it. Now remember, the one in the can, it is pre-cooked. Okay? We started this from start by cooking. Now that you'll be getting the one in the can that is pre-cooked, you gotta treat it a little different. What you want to do when you go out, you want to purchase your canned pre-cooked green gungo, and you want to purchase coconut cream in the can. Not coconut milk, coconut cream. You want to get your soup creamy and nice. Coconut cream. As I showed you that the green coconut, that is the one I was using. So you get the coconut cream, not coconut milk. So you would put the coconut milk with the dry gungo and the coconut cream with the green gungo. Okay, y'all? Now you're gonna get it pre-cooked. Starters to start with that, because it's already cooked or pre-cooked. What you're gonna need to do, if you're using salty meat, you're gonna need to get your salt out of your meat. So you want to put in your meat first, and if you're using like a little vegetable like carrot, any other little kind of hard vegetable, you want to put that with your meat to start cooking. Now your meat must be at a certain point in cooking. It must be pre-cooked as well as the gungo that is pre-cooked. So if you want to pre-cook your meat a little first, yeah, then you would start off with the pre-cooked gungo and the pre-cooked meat. That is the first thing. That is how you want to start your soup. That's the base of how you're going to start the canned gungo soup. Pre-canned, pre-cooked meat, you put them in together. Okay? Then you proceed to put in your type of food, yam and whatever of choice. Okay? Your herbs and whatever you're using. So just for the base to start it off, I want to explain to you, because that gungo is pre-cooked. So you want to get your meat pre-cooked. Then you incorporate it with the pre-cooked gungo from the can. Putting them in, then you put in your food and start to cook. Then you put in your coconut cream and then your herbs, and then you put on a medium heat and get rolling. I hope that is of use. I do hope. I think it would be, because a lot of people would want to cook it, but they might not know when or how to start off with the canned peas. And I just want to give that bit of information to you all to how you go about doing it. Now, if it was of interest to you, if it did make sense, I want you to thumbs up the video, and I want you to share this video with your friends, okay, your family, and just keep sharing. Continue to subscribe, okay, y'all? This is the 2018, yes, continuing from 2017 West Indian Delights cooking journey. It's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better, and it's gonna be even more bold. Okay, y'all? So once more, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, take this information, go cook your green gungo soup from the can. Use the canned ones and make your soup. Warm your bodies up. Till when I see you again, it's happy green gungo peace cooking. Yeah man, baby from down a yard, green gungo soup. Boop.